Hello, everyone. We have a problem. Today, electronics manufacturing spends way too much time going over their designs, meticulously combing through their designs to determine any way it can fail. A production run is restrictively expensive, especially with innovative designs that inherently carry risks. And when you do have a failure, you may have to do a redesign within 3 weeks. It may take tens of thousands of dollars, and your lead time to get a new fabrication may be 6 months. In the world of electronics, radar systems, and microwaves, this isn't really acceptable. But what if it was okay to have a failure? My name is Bahr, and I'm here to present the additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, of antennas and microwave systems. 3D printing enables us to create complex geometries and designs at no additional costs. We can create a wide variety of materials, from polymers to metals to ceramics. And we can take designs that were previously 20 parts and turn them into one complex part. In the aerospace industry, this has reduced aerospace-grade parts in 25% in weight, making it 5 times more durable, and most importantly, has a lead time of 1 day. Now, 3D printing isn't perfect. And the biggest issue right now is 3D printing of electronics. 3D printing of electronics is not where 3D printing started from. 3D printing was for mechanical designs. But that is where my research steps in. I specifically am hoping to help create a foundation for 3D printing of electronics by creating a catalog of usable materials. I'm creating new materials for high-performance systems, and due to the very minimal material usage, we can use exotic materials such as diamonds, gold, silver, without wasting any material and costs. And that means we are operating at a manufacturing floor. There is no waste of material for most designs. Now, the most important of all that, though, is that I can print one design or 1,000 designs with some of these scalable fabrication techniques of 3D printing, and it takes the same amount of time. That means I'm doing 1,000 different variations, I'm learning from each one of those, and the innovation is focus. I'm learning from each design, and I don't have to worry about a failure holding me back. That is what 3D printing has to offer. Thanks, everyone.